2024 Binbrook Fair Car Show. Now, these three cars we saw at the Storm the Falls show, indoor car show last week, including this fat body Challenger, unfortunately powered by a V6, and a Harley Davidson Ford truck, special vehicle team, Ford Lightning, Chrysler 300. I like the wheels. You'll notice there's a lot of trucks in this car show. Lots of lowered trucks. Oh, nice clean Ford. There's a slammed, not a Mazda? Not sure. Ford Ranger. First holds. With the first automatic shifter. Bel Air, Slam Chevy. This is the anti-slam, raised up. Nice paintwork. And Pontiac Canso, or the Canadian version of the Chevy Deuce. 34 Ford.
Nope. Wait, what happened? What's this for?
Wait. Raffle. I went up there. I'm like, all three of us didn't get tickets. Oh, sorry.
No one remembers her sleeping. That's it.
Neither does she.
Yeah.
Slam 57, 58. Now these vans were the bee's knees in the 70s. Custom vans. And this is Le Chateau custom Ford van. Yeah. We got a bunch of front-wheel drive cars. Scions and Mitsubishis. Oh, Mustang in the gang. Hyundai Elantra N. No, Veloster N, I say, you know. And a bunch of Ford Focus. Alright. There's a few guys hiding in the corner there. Not sure what they're doing. And a whole bunch of drop trucks. Slam trucks. And that's a nice clean black Trans Am. GTA Trans Am. Aftermarket rims. Oh, that was it in the 90s. And Fury 3 ladder bars. Or I should say,
Just to see the colors on it.
traction bars. Looks like a big block, sucking out of a 3-inch tube. Oof. And the traction bars underneath there. The old Oldsmobile 442. Never came in a wagon, but I don't care. It looks alright. Oldsmobile engine. Chevy C10 lowered a little bit, not too much. 75 or 76 SS. Twin turbos on a LS. I've seen that at wow. 79 Corvette with a original chrome motor. Wow, that's a motor in there. That looks like a I don't recognize that intake manifold. Lots of tire in the back. 325s. And then they molded in the fiberglass to the polyurethane tail. I don't know how that's ever gonna last. My experience with fiberglass, as soon as you try to combine two different materials, it expands at different rates and always cracks. S10s and Blazers and Sonomas. Never saw the use of those little trucks. They always used about the same amount of gas as the big trucks, and they just have less room, especially on the inside. Now, there's your Chevy Deuce. So basically the same as that Canso I showed you earlier. Nice clean Cheyenne.
All bad, I hope.
Yeah, I guess YouTube's gonna get all mad at me for all the music that's playing, but oh well, so bad. PT Cruiser, modified pretty heavily. 57 Chevy, nice clean car. 70 Mach 1.
Hit a bump and my tire caught my wheel lip and bent the wheel lip a little bit. Yeah, this one had bended down.
All right, a bunch of slam trucks. And nice 442 W30.
We're having a great time today.
There's that 70 Mustang again.
More door prize tickets in a minute, but in the meantime, our first event of the day, the slushy competition, is going to happen shortly. So if you don't know what a slushy competition is, don't worry. I didn't know either until a minute ago. And this is what it's going to be. We're going to get some slushies, and we're going to give them out to the contestants. And the first person to finish the slushie is going to be the winner. Okay? So it's basically a slushie chugging competition. If you would like to be in the slushie competition, you need to come see me here at the DJ table. I'm going to take the first 10 people, okay? First 10 people.
Slushy chugging competition. How about we call it the headache competition?
And if you want to be in that competition, please come and see me right here at the DJ table. In a minute after I'm done, maybe we just have people, if you want to come in, come line up over here, guys. Line up right here by this pole, and I'm just going to throw out some numbers and do some sponsor shoutouts, and then I'll get your names, okay? So right here, if you wanna line up, so that I know I got people in the right order, the first 10 people to line up. This guy's first, okay? And in the meantime, let's get some numbers for you. Okay, so here's a new batch of numbers for you. 394-5171. 394-5416. 394-5192, 394-5497, 5422, 394 5320. Okay, I'm gonna do those again because they're new ones. So this is 394 5171, 394 5416, 394 5192, 394 5422, and 394 5320. We also are still looking for 394 5464, 394 5486, 394 5333, 394 5460, and 394 5407. We're still looking for those ones. Come up here. You want a door prize. You can pick a prize from the table. See these ladies here, please.
Old Charger with.
All right. Put up your hand if you're in line for the selection competition. Put up your hand so I can count how many people we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're still looking for 5 more people to join in the selection competition. 5 more brave people with very, very warm brains so you don't get brain freeze. One more time, hands up. Hands up if you're here for the selection competition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we're still looking for 5 more people, all right? If you want to join in, come on up. We're still getting the slushies, so just hang tight, everybody. Thanks. Are they ready to go? We only got 5 people. All right. We're gonna go 5 more minutes. We don't get 5 more people, then everybody has to drink 2. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. We're just gonna go with the 5 people.
Let's go get hats and keychain. Come on, close the door.
All right, Will, can we get the slushies over here? I think we're ready to go. Can you get the slushies over here, please?
Everything's just so, you gotta squish it in there. You know, I can't believe that.
Like I said, a lot of trucks today. Somebody smells like gas. All right, man, that's it. Back to the Corvette. All right, that's it.